Hi there, Chris here with a unboxing kind of first impressions type of video for you all. The good folks over at Games Workshop were kind enough to send me a copy of the new Age of Sigmar Dominion box. Sent it to me, free of charge, and just because they're really great folks. And yeah, so I'm super excited. I have not even busted this out of the cellophane yet, the plastic wrap as it were. And this box is super huge. It is packed full of models. It's got the rulebook and 60 Citadel miniatures in it. 2 factions to get you started for anybody who is, looking to get into Age of Sigmar, which I, of course, am, because I've started Ideneth Deepkin. I say started, but I haven't actually done anything with it. But anyway, yeah, so I'm super excited to get into this. It just looks fantastic. I know that there are many other unboxing reviews, first impressions, and, stuff like that. And, I'm doing my part to add to the noise. And yeah, so I'm really, really excited. This thing weighs like a metric ton. It is super heavy. It's a workout. I'm sure the people over in the Games Workshop shipping department, it's probably big, muscular ogres who load these crates and send these things off because, lifting just a couple of these is guaranteed to be a workout. And yeah, I'm rambling at this point. So let's dive in. I'm gonna grab my hobbit knife and I am going to cut away the cellophane. Do people call it cellophane? Plastic wrap? Shrink wrap? I don't know. But anyway, just a quick little incision and let's peel it back. Oh yeah, baby, you can smell the awesomeness. You can smell it. It's palpable. Palpable. And yeah, look at this thing. Look at all the stuff you get inside this thing. It's just ginormous. It is a ginormous, that is an actual word, by the way. I don't know who's using it other than maybe Canadians, but it's ginormous. And, it's cardboard. It's good cardboard. It's good solid cardboard. All right, let's dive right into it. Holy, I'm super excited. I don't think the expression on my face conveys how excited I really am. Like, this is me excited. You know I'm serious now, right? We're into some serious fun here. Yeah, so, man, oh man, I almost don't even want to open it up. Just look at it in the box, just enjoy it, and just know that it's a complete... All right, let's dive in. Man, are you guys ready to dive into the universe of the realms of Sigmar? I am. I know I am. I've been going about my Ideneth Deepkin, not successfully, but and so hopefully this will further inspire me to take it more seriously and just get into all this. I mean, man. Man, I am super excited for this. The air is thick with anticipation. It's glorious. I can't imagine just how glorious this truly is. I am going to enter the realm of Sigmar.